Hi there, I'm Tony Llewellyn. Welcome to the Team Coaching Toolkit, a video series sponsored by ResoLex. This video concerns introverted and extroverted thinkers. So why is this important? Well, in any team, any group of people, you'll find that there are often 2 or 3 guys who just seem to like the sound of their own voice. That when they talk, when there's a discussion, they're talking over each other all the time. And there's some other guys who just seem to sit quietly and don't say anything. What's going on here? Is it just because the loud guys like the sound of their own voices and the quiet guys aren't interested? Well, it might be a bit of that, but actually there's something a little bit more to it. What you find in your team is that some of the guys are what's known as introverted thinkers and others are extroverted thinkers. So what's the theory? Well, when expressing our thoughts, all human beings sit on a continuum. At one end we have the extroverts, extroverted thinkers, who like to, when they're trying to think something through, they find it much easier if they can start to talk. When they get excited, they have an urge to speak, and quite often they'll interrupt and talk over somebody else who's also trying to work out their own thoughts. Now it's not that these guys can't think for themselves, it's just that it's how they process the words and how they process their thoughts. Now at the other end of the continuum we then have the introverted thinkers. These guys don't need other people around to form their thoughts. In fact, generally they would prefer to think quietly by themselves. Now what happens is, having worked through an idea, they will come to a conclusion which they may or may not decide to share with the room. So you can imagine that when you're trying to have a discussion where you're trying to get input from a range of different people, when you're trying to get agreement on a course of action, it's helpful if you can actually get the team to recognise these tendencies and find a more effective way of working together so that you actually have a coherent discussion. So how does the tool work? Well, the first step is to explain the theory that I've just outlined, and then take a flip chart or a whiteboard and draw a line. At one end show extroverts, thinkers, and the other end show introvert thinkers, and mark a few grades in between. Now ask the team where they would place themselves. Just go around the table. Do they think they're an extrovert thinker or an introvert thinker? If you've got working with an existing team, the guys who know each other, then ask them to comment on other people's assessment and see how the discussion unfolds. Have a bit of fun with this. It should be a light tool to use. It doesn't need to be too heavy. Once you've got everybody marked up on the continuum and you can see the different names, then pause. Now ask the team, what do we do with this information that could help us have a better discussion? And see what comes out. I'm sure you'll be surprised. So I hope you found this video useful. For more information on this tool and on a whole range of other tools and techniques for building effective teams, check out the website www.teamcoachingtoolkit.com. Thank you.